was found on the side of the road as a baby in South Korea and adopted into America. I grew up in a single-wide mobile home in the middle of nowhere with no running water, no electricity, no telephone, and no TV. I faced a lot of racism and bullying daily for looking different. Being the only minority in the whole town, I was constantly told I was ugly and felt like I didn't belong. It was a difficult childhood as not only kids but parents and school faculty bullied me. I remember a girl in first grade coming up to me and saying, "My mom says I can't play with you because you're different." I would get tripped in class, beat up on the bus, and called all sorts of names. It was a rough growing up. Due to the racism in this town, when I was a senior in high school, I wasn't allowed to walk graduation as top 2 of the class, even though I had worked so hard to achieve that goal. Despite these challenges, my determination has inspired me to start this science-driven skincare product together with a board-certified dermatologist who also has a great heart to help people. I want to provide products that will help people look younger and feel great, regardless of where they come from. Please join me on this journey to empower all people to feel confident and beautiful. Together, we can make a difference.